The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, I don't know, this is the Dancehall Skilla, and right about now them say the thing set like a tin set, you know, hard, because them say FOOTAHYPE in a trouble right about now, you see me? Now it has been said that TiFFA, the dancehall artist, Jamaican entertainer, Jamaican musician, TiFFA said that she's going to sue FOOTAHYPE, right, for words that he has said, and she calls it defamation, right? Right, defamation. You see me I say, she said that she's going to sue him for some words that he has said, right? So me I go play a video of TiFFA explaining herself towards what FOOTAHYPE says, and then I'm going to play like 2 pieces of audio put together of what FOOTAHYPE says as a respond to her saying that she's going to sue him. Alright, so take a listen and observe.
Last year before last, and a lot of people tend to use social media recklessly, and a lot of people tend to use social media and defame people's character, and they feel like they can say anything and do anything and talk about anything, and it's fine because it's social media, but it's not. You can get arrested, you can get in trouble for the things that you do, and I just feel like people need to start using social media more responsibly. That was basically what the tour was about. With that said, certain comments were made by a particular person today, FOOTAHYPE or whatever, and I'm just glad to letting him know that that's defamation. You will be hearing from a lawyer. I will be suing you. You're not hard for fine, and we're gonna deal with it legally. When you speak responsibly. When you act responsibly. You can't just get on social media because you want clout or because you want likes or because you feel like nobody not talk about you this week. So you gotta talk and call up people's name or say certain things. No. First of all, it was no secret that I was doing the Pride event or the gay party that or whatever they might call it. There was no secret that I was doing the Pride event. I posted it on my page, posted it in my Insta story, they posted it. I felt particularly moved this year to do the party because everybody knows that Dexter Pottinger was a close person to me for many, many years. He died, he was murdered. His sentence, the person that killed him, his sentence was handed out this year and the person got 12 years. I thought that was an unfair sentence. Pride always wanted me to do their Pride party, and I felt that this year, given the state of affairs and given how the situation ended up, that I would have done the Pride party in my friend's honor. My dear beloved brother's honor. So it's not a matter of bookings or whatever else or whatever, because to tell you the truth, I do music because I love music. I have a degree with honors. It's not music make me know a plane, or music no make me know what money look like, or music no make me know what car look like. Like, I traveled the world before I reached the age of 5. So I'm not frightened for certain things. So I don't know what this person is talking about, bookings or whatever. I'm okay. I'm alright. Like, I'm fine with the music because I actually love music. That's the first thing. So that's basically all I wanted to say about that. The moral of the story is mind your business. People, I think because everything's spread out on social media for we see, we always just up in a people thing and we always have an opinion. It's fine to have an opinion. It's fine to speak your mind, but you need to do it responsibly, and I will be taking legal action. I have nothing against gay people. I have nothing against people in general. As long as they do not kill people or rape the people them or do nothing that is illegal or immoral, allow people to live them life. Stop business in a people business. Stop business in a people life. Minding the business. That's how people get in trouble and get all kind of things happen to them all the time. Mind the business that pays you. So, I mean, for you to come and say whatever, mind you, it shouldn't really matter, but where is this coming from, Foota? Is it because you've been making advances at me for the past 2 years? In Jamaican terms, you've been looking me or trying to make advances at me because you say you love brown skin woman for 2 years and I'm not paying you any mind. I'm in love with somebody and you're not my type. And again, I will be taking legal action because you defamed my character. So, just look out for that, and don't bother to pull down the live or pull down the videos because it already has been pulled and sent to the necessary authority and legal persons. With that said, good good day. Love and light. Love you no much.
Me say, the thing set like a tin set, boy. Hard. Well, anyways, there you have it. That's TiFFA explaining her feelings towards the situation of FOOTAHYPE, making comments towards her performing at somewhat of a gay pride party or something like that. Alright, now, here right about now, I'm going to play FOOTAHYPE, right, audio, like 2 pieces of audio put together of FOOTAHYPE, responding to her saying that she's going to sue FOOTAHYPE for defamation, right? I want you to take a listen and observe.
On in other sense. TiFFA look good, of course, TiFFA cute. Woulda give her the dick and straighten her foot them for her. You see me? Wow, what wrong with that? Only must think nothing wrong with that. But what me I say is, I am still disappointed that she took that show. All I wish I could say no, have nothing to do with her, I say. Me not have to be her type, me not a problem. Man make feel look woman, and woman make feel look man, and if a girl not like you, even if you look her, that's her decision. You understand what I say? Yeah. Nah, so look how much woman me look and I get. And look how much woman me look and get. Come on now, like seriously? Chase clout? How me fear chase clout and me never said nothing bad about TiFFA yet in her life? Me say, you have never shown any signs of that kind of behavior. Even if you were a lesbian or you do girls, you have never shown any signs of that publicly ever. You have never given me a reason to think that. So where you gonna sue me say? Where you gonna sue me say? Yo, know. TiFFA just realized that, yo, I have to go live and talk some things, and then the newspaper gonna say foota and TiFFA going at it. The whole of the blogger them gonna say foota and TiFFA going at it, and all these things, you know what I say? But I don't know if you go viral TiFFA, but guess what? You still go low. Should not take that booking. You see me? You shouldn't take that booking there. You just destroy your whole character, like your whole demeanor with people.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, the thing set like a tin set. Hard, right? And we're going to just sit back and look what really and truly going to happen right here. So see, I mean, is it that TiFFA is really seriously going to sue FOOTAHYPE, right? Or if she even do, like, will she win? You know what I mean? I wonder if she gonna win, you see me? Judging by some of the things the FOOTAHYPE say, you know, because you never know, the law, you know, the slightest of a thing, trust me, the law is a very funny little place, you see me? When it comes down to courthouse, really and truly, viewers and subscribers, you know what I think? I think it is the lawyer. Yeah, for most cases, I think it is the lawyer, you see, because if you have some lawyers, it doesn't matter, even if somebody give you a little push, because you have Johnny Cochran or Finson or somebody big, like a real top lawyer, you know what I mean? Somebody that knows to work the case really and truly, because you know, you have lawyers who really know how to work a case, how to put certain things together and all these things, you see me? But this what I'm going to tell you now, right? This is something we know say a lot of persons on social media never know. Right? And that is the reason why you always hear them and say use the social media responsibly, use it responsibly, because a lot of persons don't know that the things that you say on social media can really cause problem. Yeah, take it for sure, it can cause problem. You see? I tell you right about now, the thing set like a tin set. I'm not going to go upset. A lot of my viewers and subscribers can take heat from something like this and try to learn from something like this, because this is no joke. You get what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers? Yeah. So anyways, we are going to sit back and we are going to take our time and see what really and truly happened. However, a lot of persons on social media now have been making speculations too. You see what I say? And this is the juiciest part of the story, because you know that social media, even though I'm there and say some persons on social media use it irresponsibly. You know, social media just feel like a place where people just say what them feel like. You see me? That's the thing with social media. So some persons on social media says that a long time somebody fi do this, meaning like it's a long time somebody fi do this to where FOOTAHYPE are going with. You see me? Some persons say yes man, FOOTAHYPE talk too much or use him mouth too much, something like that. It's not like I remember word for word what them say, but these are some of the things that they said. You see me? I say some persons are saying that it's a free country, in free for say when want to say. You see me? And you know as well because through TiFFA might have performed, or through TiFFA performed at a certain event, and you know that you have a lot of persons that are homophobic. You have persons that are actually going to be disrespecting her decision of suing right about now due to what FOOTAHYPE says. So there's a whole heap of things I say on social media pertaining to this. This little thing where you see right here, so that I present to you, my viewers and subscribers right about now, is a very hot topic. Right? Hot topic. Yeah. Yes, viewers and subscribers. So right about now, me I tell you, I'm going to hope that you learn something from this, because right about now the thing set like a tin set. It'll get hard, tough, solid. Alright? So let me know what you think about what's going on right here. Let me know what you think about something like this. Alright? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall. Big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.